Hello, in this video I'm going to analyze the schematic diagram of the amplifier Arirang brand. This amplifier uses the two symmetrical sources, plus 50 volts and minus 50 volts. Now you can see when the signal is a positive voltage enter here. Some components above will work and some components on the bottom will not work. When the signal is the negative voltage enter here, some components at the bottom will work and some components above will not work. Now you can see when the signal is the positive voltage enter here, this transistor will work. This transistor will conduct electricity. The voltage here will be low, so this transistor will conduct electricity. So the two MOSFETs will work. The current from the plus 50 volts flows through the MOSFET, through the resistor, and through the coil of the speaker to the ground. The coil and diaphragm of the speaker will push out. When the signal is a negative voltage enter here, this transistor will not work. This transistor will work. This transistor will conduct electricity, so the voltage here will be low. So this transistor will conduct electricity, so the two MOSFETs will work. The current from the ground to the coil of the speaker flows through the MOSFET, through the resistor to the minus 50 volts. The coil and the diaphragm of the speaker will push in. The coil and the diaphragm of the speaker will push in. This transistor and some components around here is the negative feedback circuit, and it has anti-cell excitation effect. This capacitor and resistor is the auxiliary load and cannot be without it. While you repair any amplifier, before you replace the MOSFETs, you should check some components in front of them carefully. You should pay attention. This video comes to an end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.